you're speaking the world of what you're experiencing because you are the grounding and the magnetizing. People put on their profiles what they're not looking for. For me, that's a red flag. That's that person's energy. I don't want nobody doing this. All y'all out here asking for this. Does anybody do this anymore? All of that shit. Like, great. You just told me exactly what I need to know about you. Keep it moving. I'm presencing the world that you're creating up ahead just a few steps when you make that partner. You know, that could be reality. You could be in a happy relationship figuring out if this is going to be it. Not, you know, golden big road off into the distance, and you could, but the whole context of having a qualified prospect that you're interested in actually considering, you could be in that space. But what would that take? And that's what I'm presenting you to. That's going to look like leading. That's going to look like work. That's going to look like relating to another fucking human being, how human beings relate. People get their feelings hurt, people misconfuse shit, and you have to manage and lead the fucking all of it. That's the dance. You don't get to enjoy the feminine choosing. They give their power in choosing you. If your conversation is all about you, and it's a healing inside to really get what is your conversation. What are you looking for? Validation, attention, whatever it is. And if that's your conversation, you can't see past that to actually be a lead for somebody else. You got to get your oxygen mask on first.